Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a user in MailChimp. This is MailChimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my username and password here. Once you're inside your MailChimp account, click on your profile icon from this corner and go to Account and Billing. Click on Settings from this menu and go to Users. Now, as you can see, I need to upgrade my account to be able to invite another user. In your case, click on this Invite a User button. After that, you will see this pop-up, fill in the email address of the other person. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my MailChimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your MailChimp account, how to manage your audience inside MailChimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial and select the account access you want to give him. You can select between a viewer who can only access reports, an author who have access to reports plus the ability to create/edit campaigns, templates, and automations, but can't send campaigns, or a manager in order to give him full access except for billing, add-ons, user management, and list exports, or an admin in order to give him full access. You can also write him a message, this is optional. After that, click on Send Invite. The email message he will receive from MailChimp will ask him to join your account under the user level you selected. The recipient can create his account or log in with his existing MailChimp account. And this is how to invite a user in MailChimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.